Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best radiator stop leaks in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is ATP AT 205 Reseal Stops Leaks. If you're looking for a safe and fast car radiator sealant, then this product could be the right choice. This product is professional strength, so you know you're getting some serious top-notch stuff when you invest in a bottle. Not only does it stop leaks fast, but it also brings all your rubber seals and amp, gaskets in the engine, transmission, power steering and hydraulic systems back to life with its rejuvenating formula. You won't have to worry about flushing out the system either, as this radiator sealant is compatible with conventional and synthetic oils, power steering fluids, hydraulic oil, ATF, and gear oil. Although the sealant is strong enough to totally restore worn-out or dry seals, it won't harm the internal components. This is an easy-to-use product. All you need to do is to add the liquid into your car as you would normally with oil or brake fluid. The specially formulated liquid is designed to blend with the oil and circulate when your vehicle is being operated. The fluid is made from a plasticizer that essentially works by hardening and increasing flexibility. It gets to work in as little as 5 hours unless the seal or gasket is severely damaged. Number 2. Our second best pick is K-Seal Permanent Coolant Leak Repair. There may be many reasons why you are searching for the best radiator sealant. Perhaps you have a head gasket leak, engine block leak, radiator leak or water pump leak. Either way, this product will solve your problems fast and professionally, for a fraction of the price. It's a simple product to use, as you just need to add this one to your coolant system to create a fast and long-lasting fix. It's also been scientifically tested and is the only coolant leak repair fluid to be carried by the AA, which is the UK's largest roadside repair company, to your coolant system. The product gets to work immediately, looking for holes and cracks to permanently fix while you're running your engine as normal. The product has been made from a special material containing microfibers, which on contact with a gap, mesh together to form a seal. The product can repair holes of up to 0.635 mm in size, but won't block any passageways or tubes within the cooling system. This product antifreeze stop leak formula will form an extremely strong and permanent seal that is guaranteed professional results. This is why it's such a trusted product and used by professionals in the UK. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminium Stop Leak. This liquid aluminium stop leak is one of the most well-known and loved coolant stop leaks. This radiator stop leak is able to seal radiator leaks, freeze plug leaks, and repair gasket leaks and heater core leaks. It does this by cooling the water temperature using 2 key ingredients, liquid aluminum and extreme cool. You're probably wondering how liquid aluminum works. Well, we can tell you that this ingredient is a top quality feature in the new generation of stop leak products and acts by sealing leaks and also conditioning the system. The Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminum Stop Leak not only fixes your immediate problem but prevents further corrosion too. A nice feature of this product is that you don't ever have to flush the antifreeze out of your system before use, as it's been designed to be directly added to the cooling system. Liquid aluminium works with all different types of coolant: yellow, orange, pink, red, blue and green silicate-based and non-silicate-based OAT/HOAT antifreeze. It also works with water. Leaks are sealed within 20 minutes, but more often than not they are said to be sealed within minutes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is InterDynamics Cooling System Water Leaks UV Dye. This product won't fix a radiator leak, but it will almost certainly help you to discover where, or indeed if you have any leaks in your system. By adding the InterDynamics Cooling System Water Leaks UV Dye, it will help you to locate where the leaks are. This is a professional-grade product that contains just one application of radiator/engine cooling system UV leak detection dye. You'll need to buy additional products to use it through, such as a UV black light. It's safe to use with all vehicle makes and models except the 1996 and newer GM models that use DEX Cool coolant. This product is also suitable for use with all types of antifreeze except the DEX Cool coolant. The InterDynamics cooling system water leaks UV dye is a very reasonably priced product that has a lot of positive reviews. Just be mindful that it is a dye and it will stain your skin on contact. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Bars Leaks HDC Radiator Stop Leak Tablet. This product is slightly different in that it isn't a liquid but rather a radiator leak stop in tablet form. They're still very effective and offer really good value for the money. These Radiator Stop Leak tablets do several things that are beneficial to your car. Not only do they seal leaks but they also help control electrolysis, lubricate the water pump seals, condition the cooling system and inhibit rust and corrosion. They're a good all-around product for your car and super simple to use too, just add the tablets to warm water. Bars Leaks Coolant Stop Leak promises to seal external, internal, and coolant oil leaks. The amazing thing is that they work from as little as 15 to 20 minutes and in most cases leaks will be totally sealed in this amount of time. Sometimes a second application is needed, but that is not always necessary. This product was manufactured from a well-known and trusted company. This brand has almost 70 years' experience when it comes to fixing automobile problems and leaks. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.